How to wash a North Face jacket. The North Face sells some of the most popular jackets out there, and they're a staple when the weather gets colder. North Face jackets, even waterproof ones, need not be taken to a dry cleaner. But these jackets require proper care and cleaning to ensure they last for a long time. You can successfully machine wash or hand wash a North Face fleece jacket. Just use lower water temperatures and gentle agitation to help prevent pilling. There are effective home solutions available for washing and drying your North Face jacket, regardless of what material it is, without ruining its integrity. Always be sure to check the care label for specific instructions. Keep watching How to Wash a North Face Fleece Jacket so it will look good for years to come. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to washing a waterproof North Face jacket, cleaning a fleece North Face jacket, and washing and drying a down North Face jacket. Now let's talk about the process. What you'll need. Equipment/tools. 1. One washing machine or large sink. 2. One sturdy hanger. 3. One clothesline or drying rack. 4. One microfiber cloth. Materials. 1. One container gentle liquid laundry detergent. 2. One container enzyme-based stain remover. 3. One box baking soda. Method 1. Washing a waterproof North Face jacket. Number 1. Place the jacket in a front-loading washing machine on a low-spin, double-rinse cycle. Make sure all pockets are zipped up and all Velcro straps are fastened. Do not use a top-loading washing machine. The center agitator will cause damage to the jacket, particularly the pockets. Number 2. Pour in a small amount of liquid detergent. Only liquid detergent will do. Powder detergents will damage the material, as will fabric softener and bleach. Number 3. Move the jacket to a tumble dryer on a low setting. Drying your jacket this way will help maintain the integrity of the DWR, durable waterproof repellent, coating. If you prefer to air dry your jacket, hanging it on a line is perfectly fine. If you wish to iron it, use a medium setting with no steam, and either a silicone protective cover or cloth. If your waterproof jacket is particularly worn and beginning to absorb water, it may be time to revive the DWR coating. Spray-on or wash-in products are readily available online and in stores. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Cleaning a fleece North Face jacket. Number 1. Secure all pockets and turn the jacket inside out. Washing the jacket this way will help prevent pilling, or the balling up of lint, on the jacket. If you notice pills beginning to form, you can take a razor and gently scrape them off the exterior of the jacket. Number 2. Place the jacket in a front-loading washing machine. Using a low-spin setting, wash the jacket in cold water, as fleece cannot handle high heat. You can use either liquid or powder detergent on fleece, but fabric softeners and bleach are still advised against, as they may damage the material. Number 3. Hang the jacket out to dry. Make sure it is completely dry before you place it in your closet. Due to its inability to handle high temperatures, tumble drying or ironing fleece is not advised. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Washing and drying a down North Face jacket. Number 1. Place the jacket in a front-loading washing machine on a gentle cycle. Top-loading machines with an agitator will likely damage the construction of the jacket. Warm water and a mild powder detergent are recommended. For best results, repeat the rinse and spin cycles to help remove all soap residue. Make sure all pockets are emptied out and zipped up. Number 2. Remove the jacket from the washer by scooping from the bottom, not lifting. This will help prevent the down from clumping together at the bottom of the jacket. Number 3. Place the jacket in a tumble dryer on low, along with some clean tennis balls. The tennis balls will help prevent the down from forming clumps, which would ruin the jacket. Number 4. Inspect the jacket every 15 to 30 minutes to ensure no clumps are forming. Repeat this process for about 2 to 3 hours, or until the jacket is completely dry. If you notice that clumps are forming, smooth them out by hand before placing the jacket back in the dryer. If the clumps are left alone, you may have to wash the jacket again in order to redistribute the material. It's best to wash a down jacket in a washing machine to ensure it gets clean. If you do not have a machine, you can wash it in a large tub or bathtub using a small amount of natural detergent. Lay it flat to dry. Be sure to fluff back up to avoid the down from sticking together. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips for washing a North Face fleece jacket. 1. Use a sticky lint roller to remove lint before washing. 2. Prevent fuzzing and pilling by avoiding excessive heat and friction when washing the fleece. 3. Use cool water and the gentle or delicate cycle on your washing machine. 4. Turn your jacket inside out before washing. 5. Wash fleece jackets separately. Never wash with lint-producing cotton towels or sheets. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.